Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check and visualize editor's code in WordPress. So for you to check and visualize your code in WordPress, here is how you can get it done. So right now, actually this particular front page is empty right now. There's not much stuff because I just import this template right now, so there's nothing much, just this test and this test and this test. All the parts, these mirrors, they are empty. I'm still going to show you how to check and visualize your editor's code in WordPress. So for you to check or for you to visualize your code, now the meaning of check is if whatever you are doing at the background of your website appears here, and everything that is showing right here has a code that is backing it up. So as you are working, if you want to be editing the code at the same time checking and visualize how it works on the front, at the front sides of the screen, this is what you will do. So just click on this three dot icon, then you go on code editor, you click on it. Yeah, right here, this is the front page, which is the page currently we click on. So these are the codes. You can see editing code. If you want to change stuff here, but you have to be extremely careful because whatever anything that you change, which happens to be a syntax error, it might end up not reflecting this Dave. This is Dave right here. You can see Dave in the open and close section. So this is it. I see the page, you can see slug, header, tag name, and that's it. So now you want to visualize it, so like you're done with your editing mode. I want to visualize the more code. The visualizing part is almost the same as this. Just click on this, visualize editor. Right now you're on the visualize editor course. You have on visual editor course. Whenever you're out of the editing codes option, this is the part where you visualize the code. That is why this is automatic, because once you exit or you quit the editor's mode, then it's going to take you back to this automatically, because that is where you have an option to view the front page of your website. And that's it. Find the video, like and follow for more. Thank you.